Hello students, hope you all are fine. So for today's class, our topic is mineral resources of India. In today's class, we will get to know what is mineral, classification of minerals, iron ore and some facts related to iron ore like classification of iron ore, uses of iron ore, distribution of iron ore, etc. What is mineral? If you have to answer this question, then we can say a mineral is an aggregate of two or more than two elements. A mineral has a definite chemical composition and is formed by inorganic processes. If we take an example of diamond, it is made up of one element, that is carbon. And if we take an example of pyrite, it is made out of two elements and they are iron and sulfur. Minerals generally occur in the earth's crust. It is extracted in the form of ore, processed and used for various purposes. Normally, minerals are found in two forms, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals, they contain metals and are generally found in igneous rocks. They provide a strong base for the development of industries and they play a vital role for industrialization as well as for economic growth of the country. Iron ore, manganese, nickel, copper, these are some of the metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals, they do not contain metals and are found in sedimentary rocks. Mica, limestone, gypsum, these are some of the examples of non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals further can be divided into two segments. They are ferrous and non-ferrous. According to the iron content, ferrous, they are having iron, non-ferrous, they doesn't have iron. Minerals are non-renewable resources. They are exhaustible and it is not easy to replace them. They take a long time to develop geologically. Therefore, they should be conserved and not misused. Iron ore is the backbone of our modern industries. The economic growth of a country is judged by its consumption of iron. Iron exists in the form of iron ore and contains a varying percentage of iron. Iron is derived from iron ore by smelting. Smelting is the process of extracting metal from its ore through heating and melting. The iron and steel industry is called a basic or key industry because steel is a primary input in many industries including heavy engineering and manufacture of armaments, cutlery, construction and the transport sector such as shipbuilding and automobiles. According to the varying percentage of iron, there are four varieties of iron ore. They are magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. Magnetite, it is reddish in color. This is the best quality of iron ore and contains 72% pure iron. It possesses magnetic property and that is why it is called magnetite. Hematite contains 60 to 70% pure iron. Limonite, it is yellowish in color and contains 40% to 60% pure iron. It is yellow or brown in color. It is inferior in quality. Siderite, it is the inferior ore and has many impurities. It has only 10 to 40% pure iron. It is self-flushing due to presence of lime. Iron is used mainly for making pig iron, sponge iron and steel. It is used widely in construction of roads, railways, appliances, buildings, machines, tools and automobiles. Iron is alloyed with other metals to manufacture ferroalloys such as ferromanganese, ferrotungsten and ferrovanadium. It is also worked as a primary input in many industries such as shipbuilding, automobiles, etc. India ranks 7th in the production of iron ore in the world. The main iron ore deposits are located in certain states, among which Chhattisgarh is the one. Important deposits are found in Bailadila and Raughat in Basta district, Dali Rajhara in Durg district, Raigarh in Durg district, Raigarh, Bilaspur and Sarguja districts also produces iron ore. The other states which produces iron ore they are Goa, Jharkhand, Karnataka. Rich deposits of hematite occur in Adumpil and Usgaon in North Goa, whereas Singhbhum district has rich resources of hematite ores in Noamundi, Zamda, Kiriburu and Megataburu. In Karnataka, large reserves of iron ore are found in the Sandur ranges of Hospet in Bellary district, Kemangundi and Kalhatti in the Bababudan hills of Chikmagalur district. The other states which produces iron ore are Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. In eastern Maharashtra, iron ore occurs in Chandrapura districts. Lohara, Pipalgaon and Sundargarh is having also iron ore deposition. Iron ore deposits occur in Jabalpur and Balaghat districts of Madhya Pradesh. There are two iron ore belts present in Odisha. They are Guru Mahishani Shulaipat Badambahar belt and Barazamda belt. That's all for today's class. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.